So friends, we have left from here today this evening from Lumshnong Sonapur, from Lumshnong, okay, to go towards Sonapur. So sorry for my mistake and don't mind for my English, okay. That's what disclaimer that I give to you, because most of the time my English very bad. So hopefully we will reach there in time, but definitely we know that we have to pass through the nights. So during night time I'm not able to record video because it's not good, because if I record in directly and the camera reflect the light, somehow it's better. But I have to record opposite. I have to record from the back side of this mirror, so it's not worth. So by the way, as long as we go, we have met this traffic jam, highly traffic jam. So it's had been 2 or 3 hours. So I don't know how to say about it, but we have to stay. We have to be patient for it. And as you can see in the video, we have out of the traffic jam, but still many traffic jam all along the way we have to meet, okay, because I don't know why the government released this coal, so that's why the many vehicle was stopped here during while this truck was loading coal. So they did not allow them to go during daytime, they only allow them to go during night time. So that's why we get stuck because of them. But that's not really the case. Most of the time we get stuck just because the no entry from there on the Ratazira or Unkiang Road. That's the main reason we get stuck nowadays and the traffic jam. So see, this is the coal. As you can see, dumper, they always carry coal. Full load, underload. No, underload. It's not underload, it's overload. What I mean, it's overload because they don't carry it, it's underload, okay? So full overload. This will make us this cause the problem for every one of us. But if you talk to them, they will say that you are the one who caused the problem, because the Star Cement, they have many vehicles, so they will blame us that we are the one that caused the problem. So hopefully guys, we have freely now going. We have going free now, no traffic jam at all. So when we reach to Bersatre, we have our dinner there. So just from that we have finished our dinner, then night came, then I'm not able